Hello guys, it's your DIYer house husband here again, and in this video I'll be showing you how to replace the radiator bushing or the rubber mount here. So we have one here and here. I already removed the bushing here, so this one is the new bushing. And why I am uh, removing or replacing the bushing, because if you try to see, there's too much play. So if you try to look at here, there's too much space here. That's why if the engine is running, I hope you can see the play. There's a play, yeah, there also. So I need to replace it so that there will be no play uh, on my radiator. Okay, so it's tight, so I did replace this one. So if you try to see, there's no space here between the rubber mount bushing and then the uh, this radiator. Okay, so let me just show you. Yeah, so this is the bushing. It's tight. Okay, it's not wiggly, so the bushing just go in here. Okay, so to remove the bushing, of course you'll be needing these things. I'll be needing a hammer, the ratchet. I think this is 12 mm, and you also have my 10 mm wrench, or you can use 10 and 12 mm wrench. And this one, a chisel or any tool that can destroy the bushing. And of course you need the if you don't have bushing puller, you need to have this one, and of course your knife to clean the edges of the metal. And yeah. So this is the destroyed bushing, and this is the new bushing that will be rubber mount that we'll be installing. And this is its number, just in case you want. This is for L200, but the bushing for uh, Mitsubishi Adventure is also the same with Mitsubishi L200. Okay, so to start with, by the way, if you're doing this, you need to do it one at a time. Why one at a time? Because your other mount will be holding this one, the intercooler. If you don't have the intercooler, you can do it simultaneously. But in my case, I have my intercooler here and I don't want to remove it. So I just do it one at a time. So let me just uh, return this one. So this is 12 mm here, then a 12 mm here, of course. And this one is for the connection of the intercooler. So you can use the wrench to remove or put it, but I think I'll just be using my ratchet. Okay, so I think that's tight. So if you try to see, there's no play here because the bushing is, of course, it's tight. So we'll be removing this one. Okay, so you can just remove it by hand. set it aside. And then for this one, that's 12 mm. Okay, so you can just pull this one, and then you can remove this metal, and that's your bushing. So since this is not reusable, I will just destroy this one and then put the new bushing. So if you try to see the difference, this is the new bushing. So it's very yeah, it's quite fit. Okay, so just put it there, and as for this one, we will destroy the bushing inside using the hammer and then the chisel. Okay, so I'll be destroying this one, so I can just put this one anywhere. I can just have it there, just hammer it. Okay. Okay. Then let's see if we are able to destroy it. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I was able to remove most of the chunks of the rubber. By the way, if you're asking me why I'm not using the puller, the answer to that one is because as time goes by, the rubber melts and it sticks to this metal around here, so it's easier to destroy it rather than pulling it. Okay, so you can just use the knife, then remove the other chunks. This, be careful not to hurt yourself, of course. Yan, so I'm just using the knife to carve out the other rubber. So I'll just clean this one, and then we will install it later. Okay, so I'm done cleaning the chunks, the smaller chunks of the radiator bushing here. So let's see if this one will fit our rubber mount bushing. Okay, so to do it, just lift the intercooler and then of course just put it there. Okay, and let me just put that one. So if you try to see, there's no play. Okay, install the last screw. Okay, so that's it. I think our radiator is now tight and fits. Yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our small channel. Thank you for watching.